married, married. Single, single. Divorced, divorced. Widow, widow. Widower, widower. Spouses, spouses. Wife, wife. Husband, husband. Fiancé, fiancé. Fiancé, fiancé. Groom, groom. Bride, bride. Newlyweds, newlyweds. Wedding dress, wedding dress. Honeymoon, honeymoon. Anniversary, anniversary. Lover, lover. Mistress, mistress. Divorce, divorce. Dowry, dowry. Proxy, proxy. Marriage registrar, marriage registrar. Virgin, virgin. Minor, minor. Customary marriage, customary marriage. Dissolution of marriage, dissolution of marriage. Enjoyment marriage, enjoyment marriage. Waiting period, waiting period. Revocable divorce, revocable divorce. Irrevocable divorce, irrevocable divorce. Void contract, void contract. Maintenance, maintenance. Tie the knot, tie the knot. Wedding ring, wedding ring. Wedding invitation, wedding invitation. Date, date. Guests, guests. Forced marriage, forced marriage. Wedding feast, wedding feast. Wedding ceremony, wedding ceremony. Marriage of convenience, marriage of convenience. Publicity of marriage, publicity of marriage. Proposal, proposal. Love marriage, love marriage. Marry, marry. Gold gift, gold gift. Engagement, engagement. Gown, gown. Get married to, get married to. Bridal shower, bridal shower. Prenuptial agreement, prenuptial agreement. Vow, vow. Keep the vow, keep the vow. Break the vow, break the vow. Tuxedo, tuxedo. Suit, suit. Bouquet, bouquet. Arranged marriage, arranged marriage. Polygamy, polygamy. Remarriage, remarriage. Bridesmaids, bridesmaids. Groommen, groommen. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Procession, procession. brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Son-in-law, son-in-law. Bachelorette party, bachelorette party. Stag night, stag night. Henna ceremony, henna ceremony. Authorized, authorized. Endogamy, endogamy. Consanguineous marriage, consanguineous marriage. He asked me for my hand. He asked me for my hand.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.